In the last unit, you learned about strings and how to store strings in variables. Strings are one kind of data type that you can use and store in variables. Numbers are another kind of data type that you can use and store in variables. You're going to learn about two kinds of number data types. The first one is integers, or int. Integers are the numbers that don't have decimal points. You may remember some of the examples from the previous unit about variables, such as x is equal to 5 or y is equal to 10. In both these cases, I'm storing integers, which are 5 and 10, in variables. They are integers because they don't have decimal points. Numbers with decimal points are called floats. Some examples of the float data type are num1 is equal to 4.558, num2 is equal to negative 9.9, and num3 is equal to 0.879. In these cases, num1, 2, and 3 are the variables, and the decimal values on the right are the data type. You know that if I print out one of these variables, it will return the number stored in the variable. For example, writing print num1 will return the value 4.558.